Hi family, let's refresh this dry natural hair, shall we? I'll be needing some water in a spray bottle, the TGIN green tea leave-in conditioner, and the honey whip hydrating mousse. My intention was actually to do a curly puff the next day, but that didn't happen. So I didn't really need the mousse to refresh my hair. I would have done just the water and the leave-in conditioner. I start off by spraying some water, which is a little warm, all over my hair to moisten it and to make it easy to part without breaking my ends. This is about the fifth day after my last wash. I just wanted to make it manageable for restyling and also prevent it from drying excessively, which could cause breakage. I'll need some clips to make things easy. So I usually start sectioning from the back, and the size depends on the style or even how much time or energy I have to work with. I spray a little more water and work it into that section and then go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'd like you to share with me what your expectation about your natural hair is and whether or not it's being met. I remember early on in my natural hair journey, I thought my hair shouldn't dry out at all. It's like I wanted it to be moisturized or to stay moisturized from the day I washed till my next wash. For this next step, I used the mousse, and as I mentioned earlier, that was because of my end goal, which didn't really happen, so it wasn't really necessary at this point. Coming back to what I was saying earlier, when I had relaxed hair, I didn't have to refresh my hair in between washes. All I needed to do was to slap on some pomade and comb my hair and then style. That was all until the next wash. So when I switched from relaxed to natural hair, it was a bit difficult for me, not knowing what natural hair was supposed to behave like. I wasn't expecting it to dry on me. I was just expecting it to behave well until the next wash. Anyways, there are three techniques I find helpful in the process of refreshing my hair. Teasing the ends of my hair to help release some knots, of course, after I've applied some products. Doing the praying hand method, which also helps to release some knots and tangles, and then also opening the sections to apply the product to ensure each strand is well coated. So, as I was saying, expectation does really matter. Unrealistic expectation will just lead to frustration. After years of being on this journey, I've come to realize that my hair will dry anyway, so I either rewash or remoisturize. It's just so freeing knowing exactly what to do when my hair feels dry, so I don't have to go on the internet looking for the next solution for dry hair. I refreshed my hair before bedtime, so in the morning, I took off my bonnet, rubbed a few drops of oil in my palm, and took down the twists. As I mentioned earlier, the curly puff didn't happen because my hair didn't dry, so I got into this style. I'll share this with you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.